In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt from PayPal using the best method. Whether you need to keep track of your expenses for budgeting, taxation, or reimbursement purposes, obtaining receipts is crucial. Let's get started with a straightforward process that ensures you have all the necessary documentation at your fingertips. First, you'll want to navigate to PayPal's summary page. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in the PayPal website address if you haven't bookmarked it yet. Once you're on the landing page, proceed to log in using your credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure that the site is secure, looking out for the padlock symbol in your browser's address bar, indicating a safe connection. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the summary page, which gives an overview of your account balance and recent transactions. To dive deeper into your transactions and retrieve specific receipts, direct your attention to the top menu. Look for the tab that says Activity and click on it. This will take you to a detailed chronological listing of all your financial activities through PayPal. Browsing through the activity page can be quite insightful. You can see all transactions and, if needed, use the filters to narrow them down by date, type, or status. It's quite handy if you're dealing with a large volume of transactions. Once you've located the transaction for which you need a receipt, click directly on it. This should open a more detailed view of the activity. The transaction details will be displayed here, giving you comprehensive information such as the date, amount, and even the involved parties. The next step is to fetch the receipt. To do this, look for the option labeled as Print Details on this detailed transaction page. Click this option. At this phase, ensure that your printer is set up correctly if you're planning to print it out. However, if you prefer a digital copy, you can save the document as a PDF instead. This can be done by choosing a PDF printer option in the print dialog box, which is a convenient way to keep your receipts organized without using physical storage space. That's it! Not too difficult, right? Having a structured approach to accessing and saving your receipts from PayPal not only helps in staying organized, but also streamlines the management of your financial records. Whether you're reviewing these for personal reference or supplying them to an accountant, this straightforward method ensures you have easy access to all the information you need. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful guides on navigating digital finance tools effectively.